नेविल ने बोला है कि यार why wouldn't United fans enjoy? Like why wouldn't you? Like why wouldn't you think? Why wouldn't you believe?
Yeah.
So like do you agree with that or do you like are you like अच्छा नहीं यार don't believe चुप करो we are not
No, I mean, look, listen. I don't. I mean, say like there's nothing to disagree with. Like he's right, I guess. Like, get carried away, whatever. Easy. Like,
yeah
the thing is, I think Gary Neville is probably more secure about his support of Man United than other fans, because I think that like the issue is, I think like for the last 7 years or since Sir Alex left, like I think it's been disappointment after disappointment, and there's like been a lot of like false dawns. So like there have been seasons जिसमें आपको like or weeks or months between seasons where you're thinking okay, there's finally progress and like the team is really going somewhere. I think with Mourinho's second season, we started off brilliantly. We were like top of the league for the first 4 or 5 games. We were winning 4-0, 4-0, 4-0. And at that point, you could go to any fan. And that seemed like the most serious, legitimate title challenge. Because we had Zlatan, we got Pogba. So that was a season that seemed like, Mourinho might do something. But ultimately, it ended in us finishing second, but it was a shitty second. Like it was the worst second that you could ever have.
Yeah, I think
because it didn't feel real. Like it felt like हम पता नहीं कैसे पहुंच गए हैं बस वहां पे लेकिन पहुंच गए हैं and it meant nothing. Like even within that season, I think you could have asked any fan and they would have told you that Liverpool, who finished fourth, seemed like a better team than United, who finished second. Okay, like Solskjaer, for all the hate he gets, I think the one thing that you have to credit him for is the fact that he has been able to get players to perform for him. Yeah. And I think that like you can look at so many players, like look at Martial, who was supposed to be sold in Mourinho's season. Look at Rashford, like in terms of like in terms of the goals that they're getting. Like look at Luke Shaw, who went through 3 managers and was not able to become a decent player, and he's now starting every game. His fitness issues have gone down. Doesn't get injured half as much. Like so, my point is, I think like generally in terms of management, like it's not been a revolutionary change where like everyone has suddenly gotten up and become good. Because जो initially जब वो caretaker manager आया था और ये हुआ था like 6-7 गेमों के लिए went on a winning run and seemed unbeatable. But I mean that was a bubble that had to pop. And I think it popped really hard because it took like another year after that for us to get good again, and I think that took Bruno Fernandes coming, and I think a lot of the general attribution is that Bruno Fernandes has come and changed United, and I agree with that 100%. But I think that his impact on the team was more of him plugging a hole that was missing rather than him transforming the players around him. Because I think like if you look at individual players, like Rashford has looked much better under Solskjaer, especially the last 2 seasons. Martial has looked a changed player. He's actually been getting goals, been getting involved. Not so great this season, I suppose. Like, he's very involved. And I think the one credit I'll give him is that there's been a lot of consistency with team selection. So performances में अगर नहीं भी होगी तो ठीक है, but players haven't been dropped because they had a bad month. Like our front line is still Rashford, it's still Martial, Greenwood still plays, Cavani still plays, and these players can have bad games but still keep their spot. And I think that what that has done is it's sort of like they've now Solskjaer has like earned his trust with these guys where they want to play for him and they want to do well. And I think like har baat pe, like there's been criticism, especially with regards to Pogba, and even now he's come into form, and he's playing well. So I do think like it's been like a quiet and slow move upwards. And I think the one major gripe is we don't have a playing style that resembles that of like City or Liverpool, which is like utter dominance of games. And like like quick passing football and like intricate football and like incredible moves and all of that. But honestly, like for me personally, that's not what football's ever been about. Like I would much rather watch a counter-attack goal than watch a slow build-up goal, like easily hands down any day of the week. But that and that's because honestly, like I grew up on Sir Alex's United, and like for anything people might say about how it was different then and this is so different from what it used to be, I do think it's not that different. Like if like in the sense that United of old still relied on transitions. Like we had wingers bombing high, like crosses in the box from like Beckham days, and then even to Valencia, Ronaldo, Aguero did the same thing. I still don't think that the philosophy was different. Like I think the focus now generally has been on like just getting and like improving slowly, but winning games while doing that. And I think that like Abhi at this stage, Oli and I think the general staff and everyone I think has realized that in order to win games, they need to do a certain thing which is working. and they
Yeah.
are doing that. And I think when they get the opportunity to shift that into a more dominant style of play, they'll probably try to do that. But who's like, I don't know what else to say. We are top of the league.
Congratulations for that. But now there is the question that I think every pundit in the world is now asking, और हर किसी का जवाब तकरीबन सेम ही, और even United fans are even saying कि यार मतलब, like the question now is कि do you actually believe that this will happen, or are Liverpool and City more likely to win the league than United?
I think Liverpool and City are more likely to win the league.
Yeah.
I don't think that Liverpool and City are necessarily are necessarily better teams this year.
Yeah.
So I think without a shadow of a doubt, they are overall much better sides. And I think I would be an idiot to disagree with that. Like, I think without a doubt, Liverpool has been the best side of the last 3 years, easy, and they've shown that. Liverpool City also have been incredible, and like what they did against us in the FA Cup was proof that we are still very far away from being an elite team. I have very, very, very cautious hope.
Yeah, okay.
But I wouldn't bet on it. मैं एक बात बता दूंगा. There was a time this season जब at some point when Spurs was top of the league and everyone kept saying, United was wrong to get rid of Mourinho and Jose masterclass incoming, and then there was a time when Chelsea was top of the league and it was like, oh, Frank Lampard. And I just want to say to all those people, when we were 15th or 16th in the league,
गाली नहीं दे सकते लेकिन ये कर सकते हैं. I think United, I do feel, मतलब as a noob fan of football, I do feel that United will finish above any other team apart from City and Liverpool. I think they will at least be third. If they're not third, I think that you would say is a bad finish, right? If they're not, at least
I would
third.
say that's a bad finish.
Yeah,
absolutely, yeah.
Maybe
actually City से बहुत ज़्यादा फट रही है. I think that they should be like they're probably, like, if I had to put money on a team winning the league, it would probably be City at this stage.
Yeah.
Because I think people don't realize it, but they have played 2 games less than us and Liverpool. And if they win both of those games, they're only a point behind us. And if we draw at Liverpool, then for both Liverpool and us, where that City is overtaking. And then उसके बाद उनको पकड़ना मुश्किल हो जाएगा.
जो बात है. और मतलब हाँ, कभी भी. और उसके बाद I think depend करेगा, अगर if you guys are close to each other, then it will depend on head to head matches. कि वो कौन जीतता है, जो कि एक मैच आई थिंक तुम लोगों का रहता है सिटी के साथ, और 2 मैचेस अभी भी लिवरपूल के साथ रहते हैं. तो पहला अभी है और दूसरा बाद में.
दूसरा मई में है. And by the way, there's this channel called the Stratford Paddock, which is this fan run United channel. Just पे I was watching this thing today, and they did this thing where it was like, just close your eyes and imagine May the 6th, which is the Liverpool United game.
Yeah.
There's a 3-point gap. And the fans are allowed back in the stadium. And United edged that 2-1 or some shit. And that's the title.
That'll be insane.